Hello, in this example we are going to check the option to generate a report of elements inside the space of all the furniture and doors inside a model but organized by a space. So this is AECOsim Building Design and Connect Edition. You can see that I am managing the the Explorer, the Project Explorer, analyzing the sheet index or the links. And on the items, I can analyze the kind of items. I can have door. I can go to, in example, make a zoom on a door, right? I can analyze it, or I can go to a space and check what is a specific room, or doing a zoom sample for this room, right? So what we are going to check here and analyze is the way to generate a report of all the elements inside a model, like furniture or doors, but cumulated or grouped by the space that is containing. So going to data reporting and the schedules option, right, the schedules here, we can check all the elements inside the model. That you can see there are elevators, or there are doors, right, or there are spaces. But we need to create a multi-category report. So I have created a multi-category report called furniture and openings by room. And if we analyze the properties, what we have is a report that is including several catalog elements, door, furniture, and window. So the properties are common properties like the ID, manufacturer, the name of the object or the space that is containing. And you can add filter if you need, or you can sort in grouping. In this case, I am sorting by the space number, right? So if what I'm doing is sorting the list, but having as criteria for sort the space number. But if I click on heading, it's creating a head, so it will show all the elements grouped, right? Even you can define more options like formatting the properties or define an Excel export, right? So what we have here in this report is all the elements contained in any area, like in example, the single door or chair or sofa is shown or is organized by the space number, right? So if I go in example to any of these rooms, like the hospital room 1010, you can see on the hospital room 1010 that is this one, right? I have one door, one sofa, one chair. So if I go to this room and copy, in example, make a copy of this chair, and I create two chairs on the same room, automatically when I go back to check my reports, what I can see is on the same report, furniture openings by room, if I go to analyze the hospital room 1010, what I can see is it's appearing now two chairs on the same one. It's duplicated, one sofa, one single, but everything is grouped by the space number. So this is the best way to create a report, graphical report, cumulating or grouping the elements by the room number, like creating a bill of quantities by room.